virus. Please try and stay safe as much as you can, and always move around with your nose mask. So you can also donate this to orphanage homes, less privileged, and as many people as you can get across to. So this is how it looks like. Hi guys, welcome you all to my channel. So for today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your nose marks. So our measurement for this nose marks is 10 inches by 8 inches, and if you're making use of your centimeter, we have 24 centimeter by 18 centimeter. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go ahead and cut 2 pieces of your fabric. Make sure you're making use of a cotton fabric. So on the second part, you are going to iron your stay to one side of your piece to give it more structure. So we go ahead and iron it to the second side. So what you have to do now is to turn this together. So we go ahead and sew this upside, and you sew the lower side. So while I'm doing that, how is this virus? I just hope God delivers us across the world. How is this virus getting hard on you? Please try and stay safe. Wash your hands with sanitizer. Distance yourself from people. And always try to cover your nose, okay? Always try to cover your nose so you don't get infected. And if you find this video very educative, please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. So what we are going to do now is we are going to go ahead and turn it. So after turning it, this is what we have. So the next thing you are going to do is to go ahead and fold your pleats. So we have to have like 3 pieces of pleats. One, you can have a like 2. So this is what you have by the time you pleat it. So I'll go ahead and sew this side to hold my pleat frame. So you do the same thing for the second side. You have 1, 2. So for us here in Nigeria, though the virus just started, but it's really getting hard on people like you guys. Please try and stay safe. When you're indoor, try to make use of your masks, and you can also provide masks to people. So the next thing you have to do now is to go in with your elastic. So your elastic is 10 inches, or let's say 11 inches, and if you're making use of the centimeter, you have 30 inches for your elastic. So we have 2 stripes of elastic. So we set this aside. So what you are going to do now is to go ahead and fold your edges. So while you fold your edges, you fix in your elastic at this side, and you fix in the second elastic this way. So you go ahead and stitch it all the way down. So after fixing it in, this is what you are going to have. So note that you can adjust your elastic. You can go ahead and reduce it. Depends, you can reduce it and you can also increase it, but because elastic stretches, so you can just make use of like a very little inches because it actually stretches. So we do the same for the second side. So you can make a whole lot of this. Try and donate to orphanage homes, those that are less privileged. You can donate to hospitals as your own contribution during this crisis. And I pray that God Almighty delivers all of us and help us during this period. So I'll just go ahead and sew this second side and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, this is how it looks like. You can see our nose marks. This is very, very easy to wear.
I think you might be okay. Careful what your friends say.